Staying active after 50 isn't about lifting heavy weights, it's about moving smart. These 5 simple daily exercises help seniors stay strong, mobile, and pain-free. No equipment needed. Just 10 minutes a day can protect your joints. Boost energy and prevent age-related decline. This low-impact movement gets the heart pumping and wakes up your body. It improves circulation, strengthens leg muscles, and boosts balance. Do 1 to 2 minutes every morning. Build upper body strength without hurting your joints. Stand arm's length from a wall, lean in, and push back slowly. Great for chest, arms, and posture, especially for beginners. Start with 10 reps. Sit upright on a sturdy chair and lift 1 knee at a time. Strengthens your hip flexors, core, and improves circulation. Perfect for seniors with limited mobility. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per leg. This simple movement activates your outer thighs and glutes, key for stability and fall prevention. Hold onto a chair or wall for support. Do 10 reps per leg. Daily stress builds up in your upper body. Neck and shoulder rolls release tension and improve posture. Do them slowly, forward, back, left, right. Breathe deeply as you move. These 5 exercises don't take much time, but they protect your independence and strength. Do them daily and you'll move better, feel younger, and stay active longer. Comment below, which one are you starting with today? Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Prime Fit Flow, your trusted guide for healthy aging, simple fitness, and fat loss after 50.